Hi guys, we're down at Pipercross HQ with one of our Jimnys today, and we're going to give you a deep dive into the details of our new exclusive air intake that we've developed for the car with the guys at Pipercross. So when you order the kit, you get a number of components, first of which is the silicone hose that connects to the throttle body. Connected to that is then a hard pipe, which then goes to the foam air filter. It's a specialist foam air filter designed for dry and dusty conditions, and it's also very easy to service and wash should you get it filthy when off-roading. And the air filter itself is enclosed with a heat shield, which helps to prevent heat soak from the engine, which helps to maintain increased performance. Installation is very straightforward. It's a direct swap for the original air intake system. You can complete the installation with very basic tools, but if you're not sure or you don't fancy doing it yourself, we can always install it for you at our workshop in Holmes Chapel in Cheshire. We've tested the kit on the dyno here with the guys at Pipercross, and the end results were fantastic. We had a proven horsepower gain and also a drastic increase in mid-range torque, which makes the car much more fun to drive every day and gives a nice little bit of added performance that puts a smile on your face. This is the finished product that you see on the car here today, and Pipercross have handled the R&D from start to finish. So I'll pass you over to Dale from Pipercross, who'll run you through some of the technical details.
Hi guys, my name's Dale Massman. I am the marketing lead for Pipercross. For over 40 years, Pipercross has taken a huge amount of pride in its R&D. Now this could be from our panels to our comb filters and to our intake systems. We're very proud that we can do all of our R&D process in-house. Now first of all, we have step one. We receive the car, scan the OE box and also flow tested it. Step two, we create a CAD design of the intake kit and then send that to our 3D printer. Step 3 is test fitting and also flow testing that kit. Step 4 is final installation of the finished product and its finished materials, and also dyno testing. That short roundup is part of a bigger picture to ensure that we create the right product for your vehicle.
Okay, that's enough technical information. Let's get this Jimny out on the road so you can hear what the air intake sounds like.